This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping both devices. Charge the camera above half, then open its network menu and enable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth so it advertises itself. On your phone, install the official Nikon Snap Bridge app and allow necessary permissions for location and storage. Once done, make sure phone wireless radios are active and that you've turned off VPNs or airplane mode, which can block direct pairing. This gets both ends ready, so the actual pairing will be fast and stable. You now perform the pairing. Open Snap Bridge and pick Connect to Camera, choosing your exact Nikon model. On the camera, go to Pairing or Wi-Fi function and start the connection. Note the SSID or QR code shown on the camera display. Once Snap Bridge finds that SSID, scan the QR or enter the PIN shown by the camera and accept the pairing prompts on both devices. After you confirm permissions for photos and location, wait for the app to finalize the secure link. You finish by choosing what you want. Use Live View for remote shooting, remote control to trigger the shutter, or enable auto transfer to move images automatically. If transfer or remote control doesn't work, reboot both phone and camera, confirm app permissions and network visibility, then retry pairing. Make sure camera firmware and app are up to date. If problems persist, test with a different phone or connect directly to the camera's Wi-Fi hotspot to isolate whether the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.